So earlier this year at CES, Libratone announced their first real neck buds. We'll call them neck buds. They're the Libratone Track Plus earphones. So, they go around your neck. You got audio controls, skip, play, all that. You can access, Google Assistant or Siri. They fit right in your ear, boom. So we spent a few weeks with it, and we're going to tell you if it lives up to that $200 price point. So when talking about the Track Plus, these guys are a perfect combination of plastic and rubber that cover the majority of the earphones, and a nice, super lightweight construction. The cord is rubber, there's rubber around the controls, they rest comfortably in. The buds are nice and pill-shaped where they just sit comfortably in your ear where I haven't had to add any adjustments. Just power them on for the first time, throw them in, and I'm right at home. They're also IPX4 sweat and splash proof. We don't have the specific specs in regards to what kind of drivers they use, but they're pretty good. They offer a bit more balance than something you would get from, say, a Beats X. You get richer sound with good mids, highs to output an overall solid sound. You mentioned they offer active noise canceling, so they do this by the way of Libratone's app and different things. So all this is kind of app-based, and then that's where you'll have access to different levels of active noise cancellation. You can definitely cut out some of that sound or a good portion of it. Not a high percentage, but better than just having no noise canceling at all. Down the Track Plus, offering solid 8-hour battery life. Libratone made sure to do this whether you use the noise canceling or not. So, the battery life holds you down for long commutes, lengthy workout, etc. So there's two things I wish that this had: a slightly longer battery life and vocal alerts for saying that when the battery's low. It's like, I'm so used to just, battery low or battery, 20% something. This offers some beeps to let you know that it's about to die. So if you're not aware of the beeps, you could be rocking out and pew, whoop. But the upside to one of those things is that it only takes an hour to charge it to 100%. So having noise canceling and being a super lightweight overall solution, the Track Plus might be the best all-around earphones. Now, a lot of people might complain about the price because it's $200, so it's a little on the pricier side, but they're offering noise canceling, better balanced sound, and some sort of IP resistance in regards to water and sweat. So if you're looking for something really cool to work out in, these might be it. Or if you're just something a little more low profile but offers good sound, these also might be good for you. Now, like I said, for $200, you do have other options. But with those other options, it's going to be give or take with one of these things. So thanks for watching. Could be anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. Appreciate it, and see you in the next video. Peace.